Talesong 31. Extinction. I walk the family house, halls cold and wide. Memories echo where old secrets hide. Relatives gone. Debts unpaid, lives spent. Every corner hums discontent. I see my father's failures, my mother's grief. Generations crumble, no relief. We cling to wealth, titles, or pride. Yet love and trust slowly slide. I rant, I rail, words sharp and loud, against hypocrisy, against the crowd. The past is heavy, the present bleak. I search for truth, yet never speak. Extinction looms, life stripped bare. Hope is fragile, hanging in air. I reckon with blood, with land, with kin. A legacy fading, the end within. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.